Ever dreamed of turning your passion for video into cold, hard cash? You're not alone. The videography world is booming, and it's never been easier to make a living doing what you love. Whether you're a one-person show or part of a larger crew, there's a place for you in this exciting industry. Gone are the days when you needed a fancy studio and expensive equipment to get started. Today, all you need is a camera, some creativity, and a whole lot of hustle. That's right, hustle. Because while talent is important, it's your drive and determination that will ultimately determine your success. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you. Over the next few sections, I'll break down the different ways you can make money as a videographer, sharing practical tips and tricks I've learned along the way. From freelancing to YouTube monetization, from client work to building a killer portfolio, we'll cover it all. So, are you ready to turn your passion into profit? Let's get started. Freelancing is like being your own boss. You choose the projects, set your own hours, and answer to no one but yourself and maybe your clients. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Well, it is, but it also requires discipline, self-motivation, and a whole lot of coffee. The beauty of freelancing is the variety. One day you might be filming a wedding, the next a corporate event, and the next a music video. This keeps things fresh and allows you to constantly learn and grow your skills. But where do you find these freelance gigs? Start by spreading the word to everyone you know. Use online platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to find potential clients. Network with other videographers and businesses in your area. Remember, visibility is key. Freelancing isn't always easy, but it's incredibly rewarding. You're in control of your own destiny, and that's a powerful feeling. YouTube, the land of cat videos, makeup tutorials, and wait for it, lucrative business opportunities. That's right, YouTube isn't just a platform for entertainment, it's a goldmine for videographers looking to monetize their content. But hold on, it's not as simple as uploading a few videos and watching the cash flow in. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and a deep understanding of your audience. First, you need to find your niche. What kind of videos are you passionate about making? What can you offer that's unique and engaging? Once you've identified your niche, start creating high-quality content that people will actually want to watch. Next, focus on growing your subscriber base. Promote your channel on social media, collaborate with other YouTubers, and engage with your viewers in the comments section. The more subscribers you have, the more opportunities you'll have to monetize your content. YouTube offers various monetization options, including ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. But remember, building a loyal following should always be your top priority. The money will follow. Section 4. Client work. Building a business brick by brick. Client work is the bread and butter of many videographers. It involves working directly with businesses, organizations, and individuals to create videos that meet their specific needs. This could involve anything from producing corporate training videos to shooting commercials to creating social media content. The possibilities are endless, and the earning potential is huge. But landing those coveted client gigs requires more than just technical skills. You need to be a people person, a problem solver, and a master communicator. Building strong relationships with your clients is crucial for repeat business and referrals. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there, network like crazy, and always over-deliver on your promises. Remember, happy clients are your best advertisement. Section 5. Portfolio power, showcasing your visual symphony. Imagine this. You're a talented musician, but you never play your instrument for anyone. No one gets to hear your music, no one gets to appreciate your talent. The same goes for videography. Your portfolio is your instrument, and it's time to let it sing. Your portfolio is your chance to showcase your best work, your unique style, and your ability to tell compelling stories through video. It's the first thing potential clients will look at, so make sure it's a true reflection of your talent and professionalism. But what if you're just starting out and don't have a lot of client work to show? Don't worry. Create your own projects, film local events, collaborate with other creatives. The key is to have something to show that demonstrates your skills and passion. When building your portfolio, choose quality over quantity. Select your absolute best work, edit it meticulously, and present it in a clean, professional manner. And don't forget to keep it updated with your latest and greatest creations. Section 6. Networking, connecting the dots in the videography cosmos. In the vast universe of videography, networking is like launching a satellite into orbit. It expands your reach, connects you with new opportunities, and amplifies your signal to potential collaborators and clients. Gone are the days when a killer demo reel was enough. Today it's all about who you know and who knows you. Networking is the lifeblood of the industry, and it's essential for building relationships, finding work, and staying ahead of the curve. Attend industry events, join online communities, connect with other videographers on social media. Don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire, ask for advice, and offer your own expertise in return. Remember, networking isn't just about asking for favors, it's about building genuine connections and contributing to the community. So, get out there, meet new people, and let your passion for videography shine. Section 7. Your videography journey from passion to profit. So, there you have it. We've explored the exciting world of videography, from the creative freedom of freelancing to the vast reach of YouTube, from the client collaborations to the power of networking. Now it's time to take action. Remember, success in videography, like any creative field, requires a potent mix of talent, hard work, and a sprinkle of luck. But most importantly, it demands an unwavering passion for the craft. Embrace the challenges, learn from your mistakes, and never stop experimenting. The world of videography is constantly evolving, and the only way to stay ahead of the game is to keep learning, growing, and pushing your creative boundaries. So go out there, camera in hand, and turn your passion for videography into a fulfilling and profitable career. The world is waiting to see your vision.